Oh, you're gonna love this one. This is ready for the Super Bowl, for the big game. It's a bacon cheeseburger baked inside its bun, inside this biscuit bread. Bacon cheeseburger baked inside the bread. So we'll take a nice ground beef here. I'm using like a 92% lean beef. You can use any one that you want. Not too big, so pretty much the size of the palm of your hand. And that's gonna be the size for the patties here. And we're just gonna just do this the same way we do our normal burgers, but these are a little bit smaller. So you season in any way you want on both sides. And then we're gonna put some bacon here on the pan. I'm using turkey bacon, but you can use any other bacon that you like. And we're gonna do the burgers the same way you do any burgers, where I'm just doing this here in my frying pan here. And you're gonna need some of these biscuits, the ones that come in the can. You can get in any local supermarket. We're just gonna open these, and you'll follow my recipe step by step. Don't follow what's in the can. So you're gonna open these. There's 8 of these biscuits in here. I'm only gonna use 4 for this one, but you can use all 8 if you want. If you have a big patty, you can use even more, or you can use a few and then keep the other ones in the fridge. So we're gonna stretch it out, and you can use anything that you need to just stretch it out in a thin layer, and try to keep that round shape. So you stretch it out thin, keep that round shape. I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese here. You can use any cheese that you like. I just like cheddar cheese. We're gonna put 2 pieces of bacon, any bacon that you like. So cheddar cheese, bacon, and now we're gonna put our little patty here, the hamburger patty here. And I like to split this in 4, kind of that way, so I can put more cheese in between the patty there. So I'm gonna fill those cuts or cracks with the more cheddar cheese here. And now we're gonna close this. So you leave sides carefully not to break the dough. So you pinch it like that, and then you bring the other side and the other corner, and now we're gonna close the rest of the corners just to make sure that everything is enclosed in there. We're gonna tap this really good here, a good seal, and there you go. Just be careful not to break your dough. And you're just gonna do the same thing with your 4 burgers here. So you take your 4 burgers. We're gonna use an oven pan here, a baking pan. And we're gonna spray it with some cooking spray, and now we're gonna put our burgers here right on the pan. And I like to spray a little bit of butter. If you don't have butter in spray, you can just melt some butter and then brush some butter over it. And then on top of the butter, we're gonna use some egg wash here. So you kind of beat an egg, and then that's gonna be your egg wash. You're gonna brush it, just kind of painting these burgers. This is gonna help you with the beautiful color once you bake them. So you paint your burgers here with the egg wash. And I like to just sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on top, so it actually looks pretty and also adds more flavor to your burger. And here we go to the oven. 375 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. 375 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. And this is how it should look. You're looking for that color. Look at that beautiful color. Oh, right out the oven, and then we'll just take them out from the oven. Let it rest a little bit. It's gonna be hot inside. And this is ready to eat just like that. Just like that, you have a burger baked inside the bun. Look at how soft this bread is. This is a soft and spongy bread. And then we're gonna cut it open here so you can take a look inside. We're gonna cut it here, right here to the middle. And you can look inside the melted cheese. Look at that melted cheese, bacon, and the burger all inside the bun. Fresh baked bread. And we're gonna taste this, obviously. So there you have it. I kind of split it in half. Melted cheese, the burger, and we're gonna try this baby. Here we go, ready for the Super Bowl. There you go. This is Really, really good. Just like you feel like just did a touchdown. Touchdown, baby. Enjoy it. Subscribe and like and share with your friends and family. Until next time.